Hello, this is a quick demonstration on how to add code behind to make your page interactive in ASP.NET. And in this demonstration, we'll use 4 server objects, which can be found in your server object toolbox. The first thing we're going to add as an image, just drag and drop that from your toolbox right onto your design space. And then we want 2 text boxes. 2 of those. I'm going to space over and hit enter to get below the text boxes, and then I'm going to drag and drop a button onto my design surface. And the only thing left to do is to set the image object to some image that we'd like to work with. And here I have a couple images of guitars. Pick one that I like, maybe that's not too big. To get the URL for an image from Google Images is easy. You just right click the image in the preview mode and select copy image address. Be sure not to copy link address or copy image. That will not do anything. Alternatively, you might select save image as, save to a local folder, publish that to your website and use the image in your website itself. Here we're just going to select copy image address, which will copy the URL to our clipboard. We can go back into the properties of the image and image paste right into that field. Click off of it, we see the image show up, and here what we want to do is resize this image to the height, which will be in the left text box, and the width, which will be in the right text box when the user presses on the button. So to get to the event handling code for the button press, we simply go to double click the button, which will take us to this button one click event handling, and we can add our code right in here. Now we want to address the object we're trying to affect, so that's image 1.height, and we want to set that equal to what's in the text box 1, but we need to format the text into an integer, and so this is the command to do that. And then we simply type in the name of the text box. That's text box 1 dot text. That means what's in the text box has to be set to the number for height, and we put a semicolon as we end all statements in C# with semicolons, and we want to do the same thing for the width. Image 1 dot width equals, and here we also have to convert to int 16. This time we will use text box 2.text, semicolon, save. Go back to our ASPX page, save that, and we want to run this and see how it works. Here you can see our local web pages come up, and what we want to happen is when we type in a new dimension in, let's make this not square so we can see how it works, and when we select the button, the code is going to set the height to 400 and the width to 600. That's a little squishy. Let's go 6 by 6, and voila, that's a demonstration of event handling code for a button server object in ASP.NET.